Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Just going to show you our 86 C10. As you can see, she's kind of just an original old truck, come out of an estate sale. Been sitting quite a while. There you can see tires are even a little weather checked. Got a little rust in the rockers. My little Bondo was here in the door. Seat's not too bad. Got a tear right here on the back side. Headliner a little sag. Dash a little crack. Just typical Chevy pickup. Odometer shows 53,006. I would assume that's 153. It is a Silverado. Got power windows, power locks. Look at our running video. I'll tell you what works and what doesn't. Box pretty decent shape. Typical rust back here where they all rust in the back of the wheel well. Same deal. A little bit of rust there in the corner of the box. That's pretty typical of a northern truck. Inside the paint peeling, coming off. A little bubbling right there. If you look at some of the underneath pictures, you can see some rust on the rockers and stuff. And here's probably some filler in this door too. So runs and drives, project truck is what I would call it. Don't expect this one to be a daily driver until you do some work on it. So if you're looking for a windshield's cracked too. If you're looking for a cheap truck, this will work. Seems to run good. Like I said, watch my running video. 605-695-7391.